Okay, let's look at the example. Okay, this is how you're gonna see in final exam, where you are given the scenario and you are asked to draw an ERD. Okay, so let's look at this. A university consists of a number of departments. Each department offers several courses, a number of modules make up each course. Students enroll in a particular course and take modules toward the completion of that course. Each module is taught by a lecturer from the appropriate department, and each lecturer tutors a group of students. So the first thing that you have to identify is entities. Remember, entities is noun. Okay, so a university consists of, remember, a university, it's one record, one university, so you do not need to create entity for this university, right? So a university consists of a number of departments. All right, so you know one entity on departments, you want to store information about departments. Each department offers several courses. Okay, so courses is one of the entity. A number of modules, so you know that modules is one of the entity. A number of modules make up each course. Students enroll in a particular course, so students is also one of the entities, and takes modules towards the completion of that course. Each module is taught by a lecturer. Lecturer is another entity from the appropriate department. We have that department already, and each lecturer tutors a group of students. Already have students. All right, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so you have 5 entities identified. Right, next you have to identify the relationship. Please remember, relationship is you can find the word verb. Usually it's either you can name on your own, or you can also take up from the scenario. So first of all, we just write the 5 entities that we have just now. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you have department, you have lecturer, you have student, you have course, you have module. Okay, let's look at one by one the line. Each department offers several courses. Use the word offers, and there's a relationship between department and course. Department and course. Why lah so far away? Never mind. Just draw the relationship. There's a relationship between department and course. A number of modules make up each course. Alright, and this relationship name make up, and it is between modules and course. So module and course. Draw. Students enroll. Okay, this is the relationship in particular course and take modules toward completion. It means that student enroll in course. Okay, and take the module, course take the module lah, because course has link with module already. Each module is taught by a lecturer. So you know that module has a relationship between, actually you have to write down the name of the relationship, yeah, because my diagram is so small I cannot write it. You have to write the name of the relationship. Okay, taught by a lecturer. Right, and the lecturer comes from appropriate department. So you know there's a relationship between department, and each lecturer tutors a group of students. So between lecturer and student. So lecturer and student, you it's not good to have a crisscross. So when you want to draw later on, please avoid this kind of crisscross. Okay, alright, that's your diagram actually. Okay, so this is the first, you have to draw the entity and then link them using the relationship. Okay, oh yeah, by the way, you can put the cardinality. Look at this sentence. Right, each department offers several. Each means one, several means many, so one to many. Right, a number of modules, so a number of modules make up each courses. So module, each courses, but you have many course. A number means many. Okay, so many. Students, S, so many. Enroll in a particular course, one course. So students, right, many. Students, take modules, many to many, so many to many. Okay, each module is taught by a lecturer, so you know there's a relationship between module and lecturer. Module and lecturer. Each module is taught by a lecturer. Okay, one to many, right? Lecturer from the, right? So there's a relationship between lecturer and department. So lecturer and department, alright. Appropriate department means one, okay, and you have many lecturer. Okay, each lecturer tutors group of students, so you have a relationship between lecturer and students, lecturer and students. So each lecturer, one lecturer, many students. Okay, so this is your ERD diagram. Okay, alright, this is example of ERD between customers, product, shops, vendors and sales. Alright, you do not need to do this one because we have done this one just now in example. Okay, I want you to do exercise 2. Okay, prepare an ERD for a real estate firm that lists property of sale. The following describe the organization. The firm has a number of sales offices in several states. Attributes of sales office include office number and location, and they put it identifier. Identifier is the primary key, which we haven't learned on primary key yet. Never mind, just put it as the normal attributes. Alright, please draw ERD. Okay, I can give you options of if you want to draw it in using IO Draw online, or you can draw on piece of paper, snap, upload. Okay, or you may want to use other software, Word, PowerPoint and so on. Okay, if you want to draw on a piece of paper, please make sure your drawing is clear when you upload in the Blackboard. Okay, that's all for today.